Hello, Donnie Brady here, Columbia and a Cadillac Buick Chevrolet. Today I wanted to give you a look at the 2018s and the 2019s because we do have those now that we have on the lot. This one is a Z71, as you can see on the front grille here, as well as on the side. It does have the black rims, black striping, black bow tie. Real nice. Give you a shot of the back here too. This one is the LT. This one's also a Z71 LTZ. Here's a shot of the inside. Then we have a red one. Also has the black rims, silver. Alright, this is where you're going to see a little bit of a difference. This right here is a Z71, but it's a 2018. This one is a 2019. Again, a little bit of a difference in the rear bumper. Also, this one is the keyless entry and push button start. I love that front grille now though. It's got the vents on the side there. As you can see, there's a little bit of light coming through. Gives a little bit more aerodynamic body. This is a 2019 Silverado 3500. And this is another 19 Silverado. I usually don't make my videos this long, but for these trucks you almost have to. Alright, so there you have it. These are the trucks that we have in the lot, the 2018s and the 19s. My name is Donnie Brady. My phone number is 330-892-8808. If you have any questions about these trucks, please go ahead and give me a call. I'll wait for it. All right, have a good day. Bye.